Hello, my name is Richard Main and I'm a training architect here at SUSE. So I'm responsible for designing and creating content for our SLES for SAP applications and high availability products. I'm going to give you an overview of this openSAP course Towards Zero Downtime with SUSE Linux Enterprise High Availability, or SLE-HA as we call it. In this course, what we'll do is we'll introduce you to the architecture of SLE-HA. We'll then deploy a cluster, and once we've deployed the cluster, we will go and configure that cluster to provide highly available services to clients. Knowing some Linux is required for you to do this course, but you don't need any prior knowledge of clustering on Linux. This course is suitable for architects, consultants, and system administrators who need to be able to provide highly available services using SLE-HA. I will be your instructor for this course, so let's take a look at the course content in a little more detail. In the first week of the course, we'll introduce you to the SLE-HA architecture, and then we'll go on and discuss the preparation required before deploying a cluster. In the second week, we will go and deploy the cluster. And once we've deployed the cluster, we'll introduce you to the tools available to manage and monitor the cluster. In week 3, we'll go on to introduce csync2 and stonith, which stands for shoot the other node in the head. And then we'll configure the cluster to provide highly available services to the clients. In week 4, we'll introduce you to the concept of a constraint, and then we'll go on to discuss cluster managed storage. In the final week, we'll discuss shared storage hosted on the cluster and access control lists. Throughout the course, the concepts and processes presented in the lectures will be backed up by showing you demos. We will deploy a cluster, see the tools for managing and configuring the cluster, and configure the cluster to provide high availability services to clients. If you have any questions or thoughts, you can join the discussion forum where you'll be able to meet other students and receive answers from me. If you earn the required points, you will receive a digital badge which you can share across your social networks. Join me and learn how SUSE Linux Enterprise High Availability can move your systems towards zero downtime. So enroll now, and I look forward to seeing you there.